नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्र मैत्रिणींनो. Good morning all of you students. In the previous lecture we had already told about that an astrologer's days and R.K. Narayan's his life and the famous novel The Guide and the Sahitya Academy Award won in 1961. So on the page number 1 to 3rd, we had already see about that. He had left his village without any previous proof. So how's the effect of his, for example, as has an astrologer's day. The story an astrologer's day had ironic elements where the astrologers pretend to have supernatural knowledge that coincidentally turns out to be truth. That coincidentally turns out to be the truth. So on the page number 3rd, we see on the page number 3rd, we see. So he had left his village without any previous thought or plan. He had left his village without any previous thought or plan. If he had continued there, he would have carried on the work of his forefathers Purvaj, so namely tilling the land, living, marrying, and ripening in the cornfield, in the cornfield, and ancestral home. But that was not to be. He had to leave home without telling anyone. He had leave home without telling anyone. So make he had left his village without any previous thought or plan. So first you take your previous thought or plan and then you recognize yourself or your strength. Why do you feel so? Your dream and career also. So he had left his village without any previous thought or plan. If he had continued there, he would have carried on the work of his forefather, namely tilling the land, living as marrying, ripening in his cornfield and ancestral home. Ancestral Purvaj. So ancestral home, जुन्या घरात ते राहत होते, but that was not to be. He had to leave home without telling anyone. But that was not to be. ते महत्वाचं नव्हतं. तर काय महत्वाचं होतं? He had to leave home without telling anyone. So see the word letter, for example, leave, L-E-A-V-E. L-E-A-V-E, लिव म्हणजे सोडून जाणे आणि L-I-V लिव म्हणजे जगणे. म्हणजे डिफरन्सेस बघा, जर एखादं जर स्पेलिंग चुकलं तर त्याच्यामध्ये मिस्टेक झालं तर त्याच्यामध्ये स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक होऊ शकतात. त्यामुळे पेपर रिटन करताना भले तुम्ही थोडंसं लिहा पण त्याच्यामध्ये मिस्टेक्स होता कामा नये. सो ही हॅड टू लिव्ह L-E-A, he had to leave home without telling anyone. ते कुणालाही काही न सांगता ते जातो. He could not rest till he left behind a couple of miles. He could not rest till he left if it behind a couple of 100 miles. To villager, it is a great deal as if an ocean flowed between. To villager, it is a great deal. For villager, it is a great deal if an ocean flowed between. So he had working analysis of mankind's troubles. He had working analysis of mankind's troubles, for example, as a marriage, money, and the tangle of human ties. And the tangle of human ties. So he had working analysis of mankind's ट्रबल्स. फॉर एक्झाम्पल कुठले कुठले ट्रबल्स आहेत बघा, मॅरेज असेल, मनी असेल, टँगल्स ऑफ ह्युमन टाईज असतील, ते मानवी बंधनात टाकणारे जे रिलेटिव्ह आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये सुद्धा. सो लॉंग प्रॅक्टिस हॅड sharpened his perception. It is the most important. Long practice had sharpened his perception. And this happens with everyone. If you practice, then your heart sharpened with your perception. Here also say about that. Long practice had sharpened his perception. Within 5 minutes, he understood what was wrong. Within a 5 minutes, only within a 5 minutes, he understood what was wrong. He charged 3 pies per question. He charged 3 pies per question. Never opened his mouth till the other had spoken. I have already told about that. He never opened his mouth. He never opened his mouth till the other had spoken for at least 10 minutes. That is the impossible. That is the impossible for ours, but that is possible for him. So he charged 3 pies, the meaning of pies, for example. So guess the meaning of pies. Pies, pies. The meaning of his pie. So the meaning of pies we see, we call as a former bronze coin of India, the 20th part of an anna, a former bronze coin of India, plural of pies, pies, pies हे plural आहे, so plural of pies, pie and pie, pie. तर पाय जे काय आहे, अ फॉर्मर ब्रॉन्झ कॉइन ऑफ इंडिया, ब्रॉन्झ मध्ये जे कॉइन आहे भारतामधलं, तर ते कॉइन जे आहे त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो ॲज अ, आणि पाय सुद्धा अनेक वचन दिलेलं आहे. Question: Never opened his mouth till the other had spoken for at least 10 minutes. At least 10 minutes. Which provided him enough stuff for a dozen answers and advices. Dozen of answer and advices. So till the other hand, or tilling the land, so preparing as cultivating the land for crop. So which provided him enough stuff for a dozen answer and advices. When he told the person before him, gazing at the palm. When he told the person before him, gazing at his palm, तो त्या व्यक्तीला बघण्या अगोदर किंवा त्या व्यक्तीला बोलण्या अगोदर की कशावरती तो लक्ष घालतो, कटाक्ष टाकतो, ॲट हिज पाम, तर हातावरती तो एकदा लक्ष ठेवतो. इन मेनी वेज यू आर नॉट गेटिंग द फुलेस्ट रिझल्ट ऑफ युअर एफर्ट्स. बघा टेक्निक असतं, जे सुपरस्टिशन्स आले लोक असतात किंवा आपण म्हणू शकतो भोंदू जे लोक असतात, ते काय करतात, तर ते हात वगैरे आपले पाहत असतात, तर हात पाहत असतात आणि त्यानुसार म्हणजे जे सत्य सांगत असतात, ट्रुथ सांगत असतात, त्याच्याबरोबर आपल्याला एक विश्वास बसलेला असतो की तो जो व्यक्ती आहे तो सांगत आहे ते ट्रुथ आहे. सो हिअर ऑल्सो हॅपन्स विथ हिम, गेजिंग ॲट हिज पाम. In many ways, you are not getting the fullest. In many ways, you are not getting the fullest result for your efforts. Result of your efforts. 9 out of 10 were disposed to agree with him. 9 out of 10, बघा 10 पेक्षा 8 जण जे आहेत डिस्पोज टू ॲग्री विथ हिम, ते काय आहे, त्याच्याशी सहमत असण्यासाठी ते सहमत नाहीत. और ही क्वेश्चन, इज देअर एनी वुमन इन युअर फॅमिली? इज देअर एनी वुमन इन युअर फॅमिली? मे बी इव्हन अ डिस्टंट रिलेटिव्ह, मे बी इव्हन अ डिस्टंट रिलेटिव्ह who is not well disposed towards you. Or he gave analysis of character. So first he says, or he answers question, is there any woman in your family? Then he say, maybe even a distant relative who is not well disposed towards you. Or due to your nature, how can you be otherwise with Saturn where he is? So you have an impetus. Spelling is impetus. IMPETUOUS. Impetus. Impulsive. We call it as impulsive impetus. Nature and rough exterior, and this endeared him to their hearts immediately, to their hearts immediately. For even the mildest of us loves to think that he has forbidding as exterior. He has forbidding as exterior. For example, he knew no more what was going to happen to others than he knew what was going to happen himself the next minutes. बघा, ज्या व्यक्तीला स्वतःबद्दल माहित नसतं की पुढच्या क्षणी काय होणार आहे त्याच्याबरोबर, तो व्यक्ती दुसऱ्या व्यक्तीला सांगत आहे की त्या व्यक्तीच्या जीवनात काय होणार आहे. सो ही वॉज, हे एक आयरनी आहे, याच्यामध्ये आपण शोधून काढू शकतो. पहास आहे, ही न्यू नो मोर ऑफ व्हॉट वॉज गोइंग टू हॅपन टू अदर्स दॅन ही न्यू दॅट व्हॉट वॉज गोइंग टू हॅपन्स टू हिमसेल्फ द नेक्स्ट मिनिट. For example, he said things which pleased and astonished everywhere. That was more a matter of study, practice and shrewd guesswork. आणि हे जे झालेलं आहे त्याला, म्हणजे जे सांगण्याची एक कला आहे ती कशामुळे निर्माण झालेली आहे, त्याच्यामध्ये तो त्याला प्रॅक्टिस खूप केलेला आहे, त्याच्यामध्ये त्याने स्टडी केलेला आहे, अभ्यास केलेला आहे की लोकांना त्यापर्यंत सत्यापर्यंत कसं न्यायचं. अँड शूड गेसवर्क, आणि नेहमी तर्क अंदाज करण्याचं काम त्यांनी नेहमी केलेलं आहे. कदाचित त्याच्या बाबतीत अंदाज जे आहेत ते खरे ठरले असतील किंवा चुकीचे ठरले असतील, पण त्याने नेहमी ती प्रॅक्टिस करून केलेलं आहे. Endured, made likeable, for example, made something or someone likeable. एखादा व्यक्ती आपल्या जीवनाबद्दल तो सत्य सांगत असेल तर तो व्यक्ती काय होता आपल्याला ॲज अ लाइकेबल, समवन लाइकेबल और मेड समथिंग. सो impetus, so you have an impetus nature and a rough exterior. This endeared him to their hearts immediately, for even the mildest of us loves to think that he has a forbidding exterior. The nuts vendor blew out his flare and rose to go home. This was a signal for the astrologer to bundle up too. Okay? The nuts vendor blew out of his flares. त्याच्यातून काय करतो तो, नट्स त्याच्यामध्ये आहे तो बाहेर काढतो. रोज टू गो होम, and this was signal for the astrologer to bundle up to bundle up to. आणि हे कशाचं सिग्नल आहे astrologers to bundle up to? Since it left him in darkness except except for a little shaft of green light which stayed in from somewhere and touched somewhere and touched the ground before him. He picked up his cowrie shell and paraphernalia. Paraphernalia. The spelling of paraphernalia, P-A-R-A-P-H-E-R, P-A-R-A-P-H-E-R-N-A-L-I-A, a large number of small articles used in particular activity or personal possessions. So this was signal for the nurse vendor blew out his flare and rose to go home. This was a signal for the astrologer to bundle up too, since it left him in darkness except for a little shaft of green light which stayed in from somewhere and touched the ground. Before him he picked up his cowrie shells and paraphernalia, and he was putting them back into his bag. So he was putting them back into his bag When the green shaft of light was blotted out, when the green shaft of light was blotted out, he looked up and saw a man standing before him. He looked up and saw a man standing before him. He sensed a possible client and said, "You look so careworn. It will do you good to sit down for a while and chat with me." आता लोकांना जर पुढच्या व्यक्तीला आपल्या बरोबर कशा प्रकारे संवाद साधण्याची कला असते, तो कशा प्रकारे शब्दरचना करतो बघा, वाक्य काय वापरतो बघा. फक्त हे वाक्य जे आहे ते इंग्लिशमध्ये आहे, त्यामुळे आपल्याला समजण्यासाठी कठीण जातात. व्हेन यू रीड समटाइम्स अनदर टाइम यू रिपीटेड लाईन्स and then you understand every words. So you see, you look so careworn. It will do you good so to sit down for a while and chat with me. The other grumbled some reply vaguely. The astrologers pressed his invitations, whereupon the other thrust his palm under his nose, saying, "You call yourself an astrologer? You call yourself an astrologer?" There is a question. You call yourself an astrologer. The astrologer felt challenged and said, as a titling. So the meaning of titling, on the other palm of the face. So there is word careworn, looking sad or tired or full of worries. For example, to move into a sloping position. To move into a sloping position. Then the other palms towards the green shaft of light. Yours is nature. Oh, stop that, the other said. Tell me something worthwhile. Our friend felt as a pickwood. The meaning of pickwood? Irritated or annoyed. Irritated or annoyed. So, tell me something worthwhile. Our friend felt pickwood. I charge only 3 pies per question. I charge only 3 pies per question. And what you get out to be good enough for your money? At this, the other withdrew his arm, took out an anna, and flung it out to him, so saying, "I have some question to ask. I have some questions to ask. If I prove to you are bluffing, you must return that anna to me with interest. If I prove you are bluffing, you must return that anna to me with interest. If you find my answer satisfactory, if you find my answer satisfactory, will you give me 5 rupees?" So there is a question. If you find my answer satisfactory, you will me give 5 rupees. No. Or will you give me 8 annas? All right. Provided you give me twice as much. If you are wrong, said the stranger, this pact was accepted. After a little further argument, and the astrologer sent up. So there is a picture of astrologer and man. So he says astrologer sent a prayer to heaven as the other lit a chariot, a cigar. For example, बघा a cigar. तर तेच फक्त त्या देवाशी बोलू शकतात. म्हणजे बघा ते जणू काही ते देवाचे दूत असल्यासारखे करतात. जणू काही ते देवाचे दूत असल्यासारखे प्रत्येक गोष्ट काय करतात ते त्यांच्याशी शेअर केल्यासारखं एक सेट करतात. So prayer to heaven and on the other he lit a chariot. The astrologer caught a glimpse of his face by the matchlight. There was glimpse. For example, the meaning of glimpse. Glimpse, GLIMPS, to see something or someone for a very short time. म्हणजे नजर वेधणे. टू सी समथिंग और समवन व्हेरी शॉर्ट टाइम. एखाद्या वस्तूला आपण त्या क्षणापुरतं पाहणं म्हणजे शॉर्ट टाइम मध्ये ते पाहणं. जणू काही आपण बसमध्ये आहात आणि एखाद्या वस्तूला नजर टाकणे, त्याप्रमाणे ग्लिम्स. सो टू सी समथिंग और समवन व्हेरी शॉर्ट टाइम, क्षणार्धात आपण ती गोष्ट पाहू शकतो. ॲज अ मॅच लाईट लगेच लागते आणि ती काय होते, विसते. देअर वॉज अ पॉज ॲज कार्स रूटेड ऑन द रोड. There was a pause as cars rooted on the road. Rutka drivers over. Rutka, horse-driven cart. Horse-driven cart. So drivers were at their horses, and the babbles of the crowd agitated the semi-darkness of the park. The other sat down, sucking his cherry, puffing out, sat there ruthlessly, and the astrologer felt very uncomfortable. The astrologer felt very uncomfortable. Here, take your Anna bag. I am not used to such challenges. It is late for me today. मला आता खूप उशीर झालेला आहे, मी ते चॅलेंज स्वीकारू शकत नाही. आणि तो पैसे घेतलेला आहे त्यांना जो आहे तो पाठीमागं देतो बघा. ही मेड प्रिपरेशन टू बंडल अप, आणि तो काय करतो, बंडल अप गोळा करण्यासाठी तो तयारी करतो. द अदर हेल्ड हिज रिस्ट अँड सेड, यू कांट गेट आउट ऑफ इट नाऊ, यू ड्रॅग्ड मी इन while I was passing. You can't me. So the other held his wrist and said, the other held his wrist and said, you can't get out of it now. You dragged me in and said, while I was passing. The astrologer shivered in his grave and his voice shook, become faint. तो ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजर जो आहे तो शिवर्ड होतोय बघा, कापतोय म्हणजे थरकाप झालेला आहे त्याच्या भीतीने. आणि हिज व्हॉइस शुक अँड बिकेम फेंट. लिव्ह मी टुडे, आय विल स्पीक टू यू टुमारो. लिव्ह मी टुडे, मला सोडून द्या, मी तुम्हाला उद्या सांगतो. द अदर थर्स्ट हिज पाम अँड इन हिज फेस सेड, चॅलेंज इज चॅलेंज, गो ऑन. Challenge is challenge, go on. The other thrust his palm in his face and said, challenge is challenge, go on. The astrologer proceeded with his throat drying up, there is a woman. The astrologer proceeded with his throat drying up, there is a woman. Stop, said the other, I don't want all that. There is a woman. Stop, said the other. I don't want all that. Shall I succeed in my present search or not? Shall I succeed in my present search or not? Answer this and go. Otherwise, I will not let you go till you disgorge all your coins. Disgorge, yield or surrender under the pressure. So he questioned astrologers, shall I succeed in my present search or not? And answer this and go. Otherwise, I will not let you go till you discourse all your coins. The astrologer muttered a few incantation and replied, incantation as suppose, for example, supposedly or magical words. And all right, I will speak, but will you give me a rupee if what I say is convincing? Otherwise, I will not open my mouth and you may do what you like. He said, all right, I will speak, but you will give me a rupee if what I say is convincing. Otherwise, I will not open my mouth and you may do what you like. After a good deal of haggling, the other agreed. The astrologer said, you were left for dead, am I right? You were left or dead, am I right? Tell me more. A knife has passed through you once, said the astrologer. A knife has passed through you once, said the astrologer. Good fellow, He bared his chest to show the scar. What else? And then you were pushed into a well nearby in the field, and you were left for dead. And then you were pushed into a well nearby in the field, and you were left for dead. I should have been dead if some passerby had not chanced to peep into the well, exclaimed the other, overwhelmed by enthusiasm. Overwhelmed, the meaning of overwhelmed. Overwhelmed. So overwhelmed, overcome by something म्हणजे एखाद्यावरती मात करणे. फॉर एक्झाम्पल त्याने कशावरती मात केलेली आहे? मृत्यूवरती मात केलेली आहे. कशा प्रकारे त्याच्याजवळ मृत्यू आली होती? बघा, मृत्यूवरती त्याने मात केलेली आहे, ओव्हरवेल्म केलेला आहे. When shall I get at him? He asked, clenching his fist. He asked, clenching his fist. In the next world, answers the astrologers. He died 4 months ago in a far off town. You will never see any more of him. So when shall I get him? He asked, clenching his fist. In the next world, answered the astrologer. He died 4 months ago in a far off town. You will never see any more of him. The other groaned on hearing it. The astrologer proceeded. So groan, for example, as a groan, Groan. Groan. For example, made a low sound of distress. Made a low sound of distress. म्हणजे वेदनेने विवळणे, वेदना यातना असतील तर विवळणे. On a hearing it, the astrologer proceeded, Guru Nayak. You know my name? The other said, taken aback. Guru Nayak. You know my name? The other said, taken aback. As I know all other things, Guru Nayak, listen carefully to what I have to say. Your village is 2 days' journey due north of his town. Your village is 2 days' journey due north of this town. Take the next train and be gone. I see once again great danger to your life. If you go from home, she took out a pinch of sacred ash and held it to him. So rub it on your forehead and go home. Never travel southward again, and you will live to be 100. So here he see or he as eyes know all things fair, Guru Nayak, and listen carefully. So what I have to say. So he says your village is 2 days and journey. So journey and due to out of the this town. So take the next train and be gone. I see once again great danger of your life to your life. If you go from home, rub it on your forehead and go home. Never travel southward again, and you will live to be 100. Why should I have lived? Why should I leave home again? The other said reflectively. I was only going away now and then to look for him and to choke out of his life. If I met him, he shook his head regretfully. Regret, पश्चाताप करणे. He has escaped my hands. I hope at least he died as he deserved. Yes, said the strange astrologer. He was crushed in under a lorry. The other looked gratified to hear it. The other looked gratified to look to it, pleased and satisfied. Why should I live home again? The other said reflectively. तो काय म्हणतो बघा, मी इथून का सोडू? फॉर एक्झाम्पल, आय लिव्ह होम अगेन. का मी हे घर सोडू? आय वॉज ओनली गोइंग अवे नाऊ. मी आताच तर तिथून आलेला आहो. अँड देन टू लुक फॉर हिम. सो चॉक आउट ऑफ हिज लाईफ. आय मेट हिम. He shook his head regretfully. He has escaped my hands. I hope at least he died as he deserved. Yes, said astrologer, and he was crushed under a lorry. The place was deserted by the time the astrologer picked up his articles, put them into his bag. The green shaft, the green shaft was also gone. leaving the place in darkness and silence. The stranger had gone off into the light, and after giving the astrologers a handful of coins, a handful of coins. It was nearly midnight when the astrologer reached the home. His wife was waiting for him. His wife was waiting for him at the door and demanded an explanation. He flung the coin at her and said, "Count them." One man gave all that. One man gave all that. His explanation about count them, one man gave all out. So it was nearly midnight, so astrologer's life here reflected. His wife was waiting for him at the door and demanded an explanation. Then he flung the coins at her, said, "Count them." Once man gave all that, 12 and half anna. She said, counting, she was overjoyed. "I can buy some jaggery and coconut tomorrow. The child has been asking for sweet for so many days now. I will prepare some nice stuff for her." So here the life of explanation or description narration of the life of astrologers, how his child was. Where, for example, "I can buy some chowdhury and coconut tomorrow. The child has been asking for sweet for so many days. The swine has treated me. He promised me rupees." And said the astrologer. She looked up at him. "You look worried. What is wrong?" "You look worried. What is wrong?" "Nothing." After dinner, sitting on the pile, he told her, "Do you know a great load is gone from me today? Do you know a great load is gone from me today? I thought I had the blood of a man on my hand all this year. I had the blood, a man on my hands all this year. That was the reason why I ran away from home, settled here, and married you. He is alive. He is alive." She gasped, "You tried to kill him?" "Yes, in our village. When I was a silly youngster, we drank, grumbled, and quarreled badly one day. Why think of it now and time to sleep?" He said, yawning, stretched himself to the pot. And that is the truthful story of your astrologers. So, Paul, a string caught. Paul, a string caught. What was the load on the astrologer's mind? There is a question. What was the load on the astrologer's mind? The astrologer had changed his appearance and his persona when he arrived in the city. So darkness load was inside the astrologer has disappeared. The astrologer thought that he had killed a man after a quarrel, hence he had run away from his village and changed his appearance and his person. When he arrived in the city, became an astrologer. However, he still felt guilty for what he had done. अजून सुद्धा त्यानं जे कृत्य केलेलं आहे त्याच्याबद्दल त्याला काय वाटतंय, ॲज अ गिल्टी वाटत आहे बघा. पण ऍक्च्युअल मध्ये when he came to know that the man he thought he had killed was actually alive, the dark load inside him disappeared. It made his day. He felt relieved and happy. This is the significance of the title, An Astrologer's Day. आणि हेच ह्या शीर्षकाचं काय आहे, टायटल आहे ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजर्स डे बद्दल. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच. आय होप you have understood very well. So first you recognize yourself and then you, okay. So next lecture will be on the brain